Show you 3 methods to order Olive Garden online. Now, the first one, you can always just go to the internet and type in Olive Garden like I've done so here. And as you can see, there is a official Olive Garden website that we can just click on, and you can actually just click on order now option. It's just in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can simply place your order, whether that be to go, pick up, or delivery. Or you can actually go into the App Store and get the Olive Garden app, and it's really easy to do just on the app because you can actually see your cart a lot better, and it's a lot just more simplistic than ordering online. In the next method, you can actually just call Olive Garden. You can call them, tell them your order from your location. Just make sure you're calling the right zip code, the right Olive Garden location, otherwise it will give you errors. And finally, you can always use DoorDash or Uber Eats. All you want to do is you go to the app and you type in Olive Garden like so, and as you can see, depending on your location, Olive Garden may or may not be on DoorDash. It really depends on the location, but all you need to do is just simply click on request if it is not available at the moment, and this will simply allow you to actually see if it is on there or if it will be on there in the future. And that's how you can order